have you done yesterday's homework? No, I could not do that because I was not feeling well yesterday.
Yes, it's too hot these days.
Oh yes, you're right. See, there is a pigeon carrying twigs in its beak.
Maybe the mother pigeon is going to lay eggs.
Yes, I always wonder that how are these birds able to cope up in this environment? How two birds are going to survive in this much hot weather condition?
Let's go on second floor and see what we can do for them. Good morning, but why are you running?
Ma'am, we have seen a pigeon who is going to lay eggs.
Oh, where?
And ma'am, it is near the window of the second floor.
Now, we were wondering if we cannot survive in this hot, how could the baby pigeons can survive? Oh my God, how thoughtful and caring the dear kids are. Let's all together save life.
Ma'am, we had seen the mother pigeon bringing twigs near this window. And I think it is going to lay eggs also.
Ma'am, may we make a temporary nest for them? Yes, of course you may.
Ma'am, see, our nest is ready.
Now, can we keep some water and food for them?
Let me bring it.
We feel so relaxed now.
And happy also that we saved life.